Welcome to my channel. Today, I've brought you a miracle drink that can help flatten your tummy in just 1 week. Are you ready to take the challenge? Start drinking this powerful, tried and tested remedy every morning, and you'll notice visible results in no time. Stick with me till the end, as I'll also share bonus tips and important precautions to make this routine even more effective. Let's dive in. First, let's make our metabolism-boosting detox drink. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of warm water helps jumpstart digestion and hydrate your body. 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants that promote fat burning. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Acetic acid in vinegar boosts metabolism and reduces fat storage. Together, these ingredients create a refreshing morning drink that's easy to prepare and highly effective. Here's how you make it. Start with 2 cups of warm water in a glass. It should be warm, not hot, to protect the nutrients. Squeeze 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into the water. Always use fresh lemons for maximum benefits. Add 1 tablespoon of organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Mix well, and your morning detox drink is ready. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Here's an additional weight loss tip. Drink 4 glasses of plain water about 15 minutes before your meals. This simple habit can help. Reduce overeating by making you feel fuller. Support digestion by keeping your body hydrated. Boost metabolism naturally. This easy step can significantly enhance your weight loss efforts when combined with the morning detox drink. Precautions for safe use. Now, let's talk about precautions. It's important to follow these guidelines to avoid any side effects. Use a straw. Apple cider vinegar and lemon are acidic and can harm tooth enamel. A straw helps minimize contact with your teeth. Stick to the recommended quantities. Avoid exceeding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice per drink. Overuse can lead to stomach discomfort or acid reflux. Consult your doctor. If you have digestive issues, ulcers, or are pregnant, consult a healthcare professional before trying this remedy. Benefits of this routine. By following this routine, you'll notice reduced bloating, improved digestion, enhanced energy levels, and when paired with regular exercise and a balanced diet, it's a game changer for weight management. So, are you ready to start your weight loss journey the right way? Try this morning detox drink and the pre-meal water trick, and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Let's make healthy living simple and sustainable.